once again reviewing some solid American hardwoods over here. So this is Select number 1 grade American dark walnut or American black walnut. Goes by different names, it's the same thing. So there are a few things about this. The strips of wood go left to right and they're perfect pieces lined up very carefully by the eyes of a master to make sure they blend correctly. Looks pretty nice, don't it? Look at those lines. This is 1.5 inches thick, perfectly sanded, smooth. The quality's there, let me tell you. Really, really nice. If you're looking to replace your kitchen countertops, your island top, your bar, or maybe desktop, or match things in your house and you have walnut, this is what you need. Contact the sponsor right there for more information, pricing, and availability. And yeah, just another way you can stay on the cutting edge and make your house and your kitchen as nice as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Have a great day.